So guys, hi to everyone. I hope you can hear me well and see as well. So I will also check it through my YouTube if it's all good. Yeah, I think everything is working pretty nice. Looks like I don't have anything actually because my shoulders is opened, but actually I have my favorite red dress. So. Good morning, good morning. Hello, everyone. It's probably pretty early for all of you there. So, text me, please, in the comments from what country you're from. I always ask this kind of question to my subscribers. So, guys, please answer. Today is going to be a really interesting topic of the live stream. So, why most trading courses are a waste of money for beginners. And because actually a lot of people ask me what kind of course I can buy, what I can do when I just start trading and everything. And me also when I started, I of course found a lot of the courses that are selling in the Instagram, YouTube, or somewhere else, and actually most of them is just waste of money and your time as well. And most even badly if it's like getting you really confused about everything because one of the teacher is saying to you that this is right, the other one is saying that no, this is right, and you're just getting lost in all of this information because all of the people is saying the different things and you cannot find that truth. So this is most difficult part. So yeah, guys, I'm waiting for your comments, and while I'm waiting, let's start trading right now. So let me check your comments again. Well, is anyone on trades? I think everyone here. But I don't really recommend you guys trade with me on the live streams because it's pretty big delay here. Maybe we can do something like, for example, I will just send you the signals in the comments. Let me know if it's gonna be interesting for you. So it's gonna be more convenient. So wait, I will change my account. Locked in from Slovenia. Okay, perfect. Hi, Lisa, Nigeria. My mentor, greetings to you. Hi, is anyone on trade? Well, hello. Okay, perfect. So, guys, let me know in the comments what do you think about me sending a signal in the chat because you will see everything actually, so it's pretty good. On the YouTube, it's actually kind of big delay for like 20 seconds. So, for example, if you will follow my signals, just follow it by the comments. It's going to be more effective for you actually. But firstly, before we start, we will talk about our topic today. So wait a second. So firstly, I need to choose the indicator. It's gonna be basic things actually, because I'll explain you why as well right now. So for example, we can use a parabolic star as well and MACD. I like this combination of the indicators and I use it a lot in my trading sessions. And actually, when you found your strategy that works the best for you, you just work with it. You don't really, change that much. So before guys we start, I want to talk about in this live stream we will dive into a critical topic, as I told you already, for all of the beginners in trading, is the trap of overpriced and outdated trading courses as well, because a lot of people are actually selling it for big money. For example, some kind of the beginners even don't have this money, and okay, they paid for it and everything, and then the trader is saying to them, okay, now you need to top up your deposit for like $500 $1,000, and you realize that, okay, I just spent the New York course and now I need to deposit again. So that's where, for example, all of my educational information, YouTube videos, my education channel for all of the subscribers is free, because me as a beginner, I also remember like I didn't have that much finances to buy the course and then also trade and top up some money, and it's actually a pretty common thing for everyone. So people is actually fall for professional looking courses that don't actually deliver the results, because this people is just saying to them, oh, this is working for 100%, they're giving you some guarantees, but actually there's no guarantees in trading. You need to understand that. And me as a person that's also having interest of you trading with me, it's pretty unusual that I'm saying to you, no, there's no guarantees. And I'm always saying that because I want people to have a clear mind and clear information about this. Because if you will think that, okay, if now I'm trade with some trader following the signal, I will have the result for 100%. But without your efforts, it's nothing. And if you will not also spend your time on this, you will not make it. This is the thing. And the other people that's giving you the guarantees with the result, for 100%, and they're saying to you, you don't even need to do anything, just run away. Because this kind of the people just want you trapped into that, because they want you to believe that this is so easy that you can make thousands of dollars in just a few weeks without making any efforts. And it doesn't make any sense actually. And of course, a lot of people trap in that because they're like, oh, okay, finally, here's just some, easy way to do all of this. And of course, all of the people want to make it easy. They don't want to, stress. They don't want to put a lot of the efforts and time and money in this, and without having no result or without having no guarantees. Of course, it's like our natural probably thing that we want the results really fast, we want it really good and without any stress. But believe me, in life there's nothing like this. If someone is saying you about the easy money, that, oh, this is so easy to do, just run away, because easy money does not exist. So only if it's not illegal or something, but this is also not the easy money. So there's no easy money in the world. There's no easy work in the world as well, especially when it comes to trading and to binary options as also. So you just need to get this idea. And I'm always trying to, say to my subscribers, guys, there's no easy way. There's no easy way in any industry in the life. In every industry that you will work in, it will be anyhow difficult for you. At some point, at some stages of your life or something else, it will be difficult, definitely, for 100%. So if you will be ready for this difficult part, it's going to be so much easier for you to live through that. To not just, give up after one loss or something else. It's the thing that keep in your mind, yeah, okay, bad things happen, but I'm just going through this and I'm going to achieve what I actually want. Also, one of the biggest psychological, I think, traps is when traders convince themselves that a course is valuable just because they paid for it. This kind of the thing is really popular actually, because the people is thinking, okay, if I paid for this $1,000, okay, this is pretty good information. This is also, okay, it was just, 30 videos or something of the learning and educational, but at the same time, it's really good. It's really good strategy that I've never seen before. But then, guys, I'm absolutely convinced that you will find this kind of the strategy on the YouTube for free from some kind of the blogger that have 100 subscribers and that doing it for free. There is no information in the world right now actually that hide it from you. Everything you have in the internet, everything. The most coolest thing about the courses, I think, in good courses, is that everything is structured for you. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and everything. So you will not get lost in this information because it's a lot in the market and the internet as well. So the most coolest thing about the courses, that is the structure. And you just go step by step by it. That's it. So I will also tell you in this live stream how to recognize truly useful trading resources, first of all. Red flags that reveal a course is a scam or outdated. Also, why spending money doesn't guarantee learning. It's one of the coolest thing. And how to protect yourself as a beginner trader. So if you are just starting out in trading and want to avoid common beginner mistakes, this stream is definitely for you. So guys, please let me know in the comments if you want to know more about this, or you maybe have any questions, or you maybe have any experience with the courses of trading So it's gonna be really interesting for me to read it. So give me just a little bit of seconds. How are you doing? I'm doing really great. Cool. What of the web channel? Well, we'll talk about this a little bit later, I think. Hi from Korea, you're the best binary option trader that I ever see. I agree with you. Thank you so much, guys. It's so nice to hear from you. Hi, Lisa. Greetings from Italy. Oh, Italy. Oh my god. Sounds so good. I definitely want to be there. I kind of lagged a little bit, right? Guys, let me know in the comments how you see me and hear me as well, because for me, sometimes I lag, even though here everything is good actually. I don't know what is the problem here. As we can see, it's pretty good. Who knows? The YouTube is always like this actually, it's crazy. So yeah, let me know in the comments that. So guys, now, what we are gonna do with you, of course, we're gonna practice everything in the pocket option, because the theory is good, but the practice is so much better. The practice is the one thing that giving you the result, of course. So now I'm looking for the currency pair that we're gonna trade on. Yeah, pocket option is lagging a little bit. Okay, let's find something interesting. For now, I don't see that many charts with consistent upward or downward trend. This one not that bad. This one 50-50, because it could be a lateral movement here like this, or it could be the start of the downward trend, or the upward trend can continue and just go in the upward direction again. So let's see something else. Of course, I'm paying more attention to the asset with a payout of 92%, so that's how we can make more, of course, profit. Here not that bad as well, but at the same time it's pretty long downward trends that can reverse in any time. I will go to your chat. You're looking pretty. Thank you so much. Happy new month, Lisa. Thank you, guys. You're so cute, actually. So nice always to read your comments. So let's find something more interesting. I don't really find anything that's cool right now. Boom. I also sometimes go to the signals to see how many buyers here and sellers. Now we can see here's more sellers, definitely. At least that's opening it by the signals. But at the same time, it's fluctuating here a lot. So let's check out something else as well. Here we actually can open. I will actually text you, I think, the I don't know if I can. Okay, I will text you the name of the GBP/GPI OTC. I texted you the name of the currency pair that we're gonna open a trade on, because as you can see, guys, here it's lagging a lot. It's delayed because of the YouTube, so I will send you just the signals in the chat. So yeah, time of expiration. Okay, I will text time of trade. 3 minutes. Like this. Time frame of candles, as you can see, it's here, guys. Time frame of the candles is aim 2, like this. Be ready to open a signal. Firstly, I think I will text you the what kind of signal we will open, and then I will send you the signal. And immediately when you see it in the comments, you open a trade, okay? Okay, open the signal down soon. So be ready to open a signal down soon. And when you see the signal down, just one word, you open a trade, okay? So just wait, don't open the trade yet, guys. I'm texting you first. And down. And I open a trade down as well for 3 minutes. Oh, I opened it for 1 minute. Crazy. Okay, I changed to 3 minutes and I opened a new trade. Okay, fine. I was just really focused on sending you the comments. So I hope you did it, guys. And I opened two trades, but it's okay, actually. So here we can see it fluctuates a lot. It was the upward trend before for a long time. Then it was some lateral movement here, but as we can see, the price was always just, you know, going to the resistance level and just couldn't break it. More and more. And it always reversed in a downward direction. So that's why we opened here trade down. Also, we can see by the RSI indicator that before the line was above the level 70, this blue line, it's the overbought zone. And now it's out of this overbought zone and going lower and lower. So it's the first sell signal. Also from the parabolic SAR, we can see the green points above our chart moving from top to bottom. So it's definitely a sell signal as well. So yeah, we closed our first trade in the plus. That was just for 1 minute. But then I opened another one for 3 minutes, so it's fine. Also, we can see by our Donchian channels that our price achieved the upper line of Donchian channels, showing that this is it. This is it. Yeah, the resistance levels actually was changing a lot. Before it was here, then here, then here, and then here. And we can see it by the changing of the upper line of the Bollinger Bands. Now we have 1.5 minutes till the end. So even if you open for 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you will definitely close this trade in a plus. And guys, after, please text me your result in the comments, of course. Yeah, the YouTube lagging is so crazy. It's just, yeah, I can see how I'm lagging a lot. I cannot do anything with that, unfortunately. Okay, we come back to our chart. So let's wait a little bit more, 57 seconds till the end of our trades. I think the sound is going really great, but the video is lagging, right? Guys, let me know that in the comments. And also by the MACD indicator, actually, you can see that the two lines of MACD crossing each other and going lower in the same direction. All the last pin bars is by the red color. So it's pretty good also sell signal. Now it's reversed a little bit in the upward direction. In the last seconds. We also had this kind of a situation yesterday on the market that just all this time we were in a plus, boom, in the last seconds it's going lower and lower. Also, it could be, of course, because of the time of the expiration, but it's fine. Here we close the previous trade in the plus, this one in the minus, so we will open a new trade here. I changed the time of the expiration to 2 minutes. I will also text it here. Be ready for signal down. It's actually continuing here still. Be ready for signal up for 2 minutes. Up, up. Guys, open immediately. I'm texting it to you in the chat. But as you can see, like in the chat, I'm sending it right away as I have it here, and you have your message delivered really fastly. But in the video, you see it's pretty longer, and it could be a pretty big delay, so that's why I'm doing the comments. But after, you also can see how my chart is going here and everything. I learned chart psychology and also candles psychology in 3 months. Well, it's pretty good. It's pretty good time to learn all of this, because a lot of people want to learn it for like, I don't know, 1 week, 2 weeks or something else, or maybe even much more less, like, I don't know, a few days. They want to learn it just watching a few videos on the YouTubes, but of course it's not working like this. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, guys. As you can see here, it's fluctuating a lot. around their entry points. The last days the market is not that good. Now we're in a plus. So yeah, yesterday we didn't have that good trading session in the main channel, and it was, I think, for the first time with me. And of course I was really upset that we couldn't close the trades. But a few days actually already the market just kind of fluctuates a lot, and it's a rather big volatility, or the absence of the trends, or a lot of the fluctuations also. So of course I'm always trying to signals in the chat is great idea, the video is lagging too much. Yeah, I know guys, I know. This is the YouTube things that I couldn't do anything with, unfortunately. So it's 10 seconds right now till the end. You know, like sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. It's really getting on my nerves. So yeah, we close the trade in a plus. Let me know if you had a profit. Put plus. So if you had a profit, guys, put plus in the comments. So here we can continue actually. I don't really like that much small candles here, so maybe we can change it to something more interesting. It's not that many shorts with payout of 92%. So wait a second, a little bit. Wait, I'm just gonna do the link in the chat actually. Wait a second. I'm trading there in live time. I'm giving there signals. I think that's good. Yes or no? Wait a second. Wait a second. So yeah, because I think I didn't post it in the chat. Your face is lacking. I'm learning how to do it. Plus the video is lacking. I can't find GBP/GPI OTC. I don't know why you cannot find it. It's pretty strange. I think everything should working. So now the currency pairs is this one, NZD/USD. We're already changing the currency pair, so I hope you will find it. Send plus if you chose this currency pair. So guys, send plus if you chose this currency pair. I don't know what's with YouTube. Here is everything nice actually. So guys, send me the plus in the chat. Wait, I'm gonna do the video for my subscribers. Guys, now I'm trading in live time with my subscribers on the live stream, and I'm giving you signals right away. So guys, join it now. We're just gonna do it real quick. Internet slow, it is risky to trade. My internet is fine actually. I don't know, something with the YouTube. Mine will just search it. That's why what the search is for. Yeah, you can just search it here actually, guys. My internet is nice actually. For me, everything is working great here, but this is something with the YouTube, so that's why I'm texting you the signals in the chat, and actually it's not making any difference. So guys, put the plus if you sent. Are you ready for a signal? Are you ready for a signal? Be ready for signal down soon for 2 minutes. Firstly, I'm doing it to you in advance. Okay. Signal down. I open and send you a signal right away, guys. Boom. Shakalaka. You just go in the comments and you open it right away. Not when you see it on the screen, when you see it in the comments. Plus 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes, guys. I texted a few times. 2 minutes. Or how to get live signal from you. I'm giving it to you now, guys. You can just check it in the comments. Come on. I texted you the currency pair. This is the currency pair, guys. I can do it for you like this. NZD/USD, OTC, New Zealand dollar, and US dollar. Then the time frame of the candles is AM2. Boom. Then, boom. We open here a trade. Boom. Here. The time of the expiration is 2 minutes. Here. And we are in the plus, as you can see here. So we're waiting for our trade to close. I think it's good that I can zoom here and show you everything. Plus, plus, plus. Okay, guys, I hope you already opened a trade. You opened a trade, guys? You opened the trades? Guys, open a trade right when I send it in the comments, not when I open it on the video. In the comments, guys, please, because here's the delay of 20-30 seconds, okay? So, guys, let's wait. Maybe I can do a video also in the Telegram while we're waiting for a trade to close. So guys, now we're waiting for our trade to close. I hope you get the time to open it. It's on the currency pair New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 2 times. Oh, not like this actually. I was trying to make a video actually. Okay, let's do it real quick. So guys, it's 13 seconds till the end of our trade. We open it on the currency pair New Zealand dollar and US dollar for 2 minutes using a few indicators. So I hope that you did at the same time. It's 3 seconds, 2, 1, and we close the trade in the plus, guys. So I hope you also did it. Text me in the comments. Okay, I made a little bit of video. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah. Running in profit, trade 1. Okay, perfect. Yes, plus, plus. All right. Okay, guys, perfect. Proud of you. Proud of you, guys. Proud of you. Okay, now here it's a little bit going upward again, but be ready to open signal down for 2 minutes. Ready? Text plus. Check the comments, guys, please. Check the comments. I hope you are all ready. Okay. Okay, I see. On 1, 2, 3, we open a trade down. 1, 2, 3, down, down. I send it to you immediately, like in the same red seconds. Like I'm putting one finger here, before I open a trade. I recovered 2 losses with the catch up. Okay, perfect. Do we trade you say it or when you post in the group? When I posted here, guys, in the comments. When I posted here. Okay, you opened a trade immediately when you see it here in the chat, because it's big delay by video on YouTube, and you do it immediately at the same last second when you see my signal. No ways I'm trading when internet is bad. Opened. Guys, if your internet is bad, it's better to check it out. Here my internet is really good. For me, it's working really nice without any laggings. But on the YouTube, it looks like it's lagging everything. But I'm not lagging. Like, my internet is not lagging. My internet is really great. So that's why I'm doing all of this. If it was lagging for me, of course, I would not open a trace here. Definitely. So it's 40 seconds. It's reversed a little bit in the downward direction, but let's wait. Everything is good. Okay, perfect. No ways I'm trading when internet. Okay, opened. So it's so close to our try points actually, but it's reversing again in the downward direction a little bit. Okay, let's wait a little bit more. Okay, it's reversing in the downward direction. Okay, we gonna open catch up. Okay, be ready to open a trade up for 2 minutes. Ok. Ok. Up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, up. Boom, I send it to you immediately, guys. We work like this, really quickly. No time to rest, no time to, putting your attention to something else. When you trade, you trade. Like this. This is like the sport, You open a trade immediately. You don't make any, excuses or something else. Boom, opened. I'm ready. You already should open, guys, a trade. I hope you open a trade already. I hope you open trade, because if you open it later than me, you will open it at a different entry point, and we will have the absolutely different results. But at the same time, here it's fluctuating not that much, and even if you open a trade here right now, it would be even better, because the entry point for you is going to be lower, so you will have more chances to close the trade. Right now it's going a little bit in the downward direction, but we still have a lot of time to close it. So let's wait. Not that easy chart as well, but here's the payout of 92%. Okay, now it's going a little bit in the downward direction. Okay, done. Guys, I'm thinking you open it so long time, actually, as you texted me in your comments. Okay, let's wait. Here's reversed a little bit in the downward direction. So let's see what we're gonna have here. Looks like it's already out of the overbought zone by all of the indicators here and everything, but this is only because of this big red candle, and it could change again and go higher at the same time. So we will check out actually the different currency pairs. Now the market not that good, because it's still, I think, 2 a.m. right now. Oh no, like 6 a.m. probably in the US, so the market is a little bit sleepy. So that's why it's not that many situations where we could trade. Okay, here's a pretty good one. We can check it out. Also, let's find something else. That would be easier to close. As you could see on the previous situation, it was fluctuating lots of time. So let's find something more. Let's find something more interesting. Okay, I'm looking for a new currency pair, guys. Okay, I found a new one, guys. Euro, GBP, OTC. 2 minutes time. Candles aim to. Send plus if you're ready. Ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm sending you a signal. Open a trade immediately. Boom. Here it is. Here it's pretty good that you can see it's how my trade is going like this, you know. But at the same time, I think it's not that, you know, clear as the voice trading sessions as well, because here you follow it by the text, not by my voice. So here's a little bit of problem, of course, but at the same time, it's good that you can see my trades and see how it's all going. It's pretty good. So let's wait till the end of our trade, okay? So. And yeah, guys, about the, you know, courses that we were talking about other traders, it's not a bad thing, but you need to be really careful about what you choose when you start learning from someone, you know. So it's most importantly, actually, if you have this, you know, passion, you have this wish to be in this industry and you work in this as well. So actually, it's a lot of different information in the world, in the internet especially. For example, is my YouTube channel. Here I post for a few years already, and it's not that popular though, because people think that if it's free content, there's nothing useful in that, and they rather buy something than to get it for free, you know, because for free it looks like maybe it's a trap or something else, because actually like a really, really useful and great knowledges only, you know, you can only buy, you know, like in the university or from some mentor or something else, because it's like some secret. But there's no secret, guys. There's no secret. It is just the hard work, and you need to understand that as well. Okay, here it started to fluctuate a little bit. So let's wait here. Let's wait. Opla, start rising again. We just still had a little bit of time. So we changed our time of the expiration to 3 minutes. I see the market, the last days is not that good. 3 minutes time. Be ready for open a trade up. Ok. Okay, 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom. I send you a signal at the same time. Here it is. As you can see, yeah, the market last days is not in really good conditions. You can see it's fluctuating on every actually chart. We changed so many charts and still it's almost the same situation. And especially, I don't really like to trade in the reversals because it's so like you cannot know it for 100% for sure. Absolutely, you know, it's so much easier to trade when it's strong upward or downward trend, because in the reversal you don't know it for sure, or it's the start of the reversal, or the downward trend can continue or something else, you know. But at the same time, you know, you should always be in a cash. So yeah, about the courses again, I think a lot of people already understand that, you know, it was some boom of all of these courses and everything, maybe like I think 2 or 3 years ago, where a lot of the people were selling their courses, and actually it was working pretty great. I know a lot of the people that made a lot of money on the courses, even though they were selling absolutely, you know, I'm not gonna say this word. They were just selling, you know, the courses, how to become a blogger, or how to, I don't know, be social media manager, for example, or how to create a content. You know, it was so easy. It was so like they were doing it on the phone, you know, just like saying, hello, today we're gonna talk about how to edit your videos, you know, like this. And they were making millions with that, actually, because not that many people knew before that. It's a lot of the, and actually it was not that a lot of information before, like 5 years ago, for example. Maybe 5 years ago, yeah, it was, but not that much as right now. it was no ChatGPT, it was no AI and everything. Right now it's so much easier, right? And now people is most likely to find the information by themselves because they know how to find it. Now we are better in searching, because before not that many people actually knew how to, work with the internet, how to search some information or some courses. Now people, I think, is more educated by this. And actually, so many content right now on the YouTube that is actually really great, and people realize that already. So that was also my idea, not to sell anything. I mean, like, not any courses or something else, not my signals, because also the people that just joined the community of traders and everything, they don't have that much money to invest in the course. They don't have that much money to invest also in on their accounts and everything. It's actually a lot. And when I was a beginner, I also didn't have that much, and I was thinking, oh my god, how they all started, because you need to learn first, then deposit first, then for example you will have some loose, you need to deposit again, and it feels like always the, I don't know, some kind of the thing to invest every time, So guys, it's 5 seconds right now. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we close the straight and the plus. Okay, perfect. Put plus if you had a profit, and I'm sure you had it. Be ready for next trade up for 3 minutes. Guys, I hope you check in the comments. 1, 2, 3, up. We open trade up. I send you the signal immediately. +5. Okay, perfect. And made $6 today. Okay, great. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm really glad that you're also following the signals and it's really useful for you. So it's great. So we're waiting for a trade to close, guys. Close in profit, +5, plus. Okay, perfect, guys, perfect. Now this trade also going in a plus. As you can see here, we chose more time of the expiration, not 2 minutes but 3 minutes, because here it could be some fluctuations, especially in the start of the reversal. It could be some corrective candles as well. But now, as you can see, the reversal definitely started. It's already like 4 green candles in a row. Also, the last pin bars in MACD is green. The 2 lines of MACD crossing each other and going up in the same direction. And the line of RSI was below line 30 in the oversold zone, and now it's already out of the oversold zone and going higher and higher. Here's my sister. Okay, perfect. So now it's 40 seconds to the end of trade. It's going pretty well. We are in a plus. It's fluctuating a lot, but I hope you open it at the same entry point with me. So guys, yeah, I hope you like this kind of the format of the live stream. Let me know, by the way, in the comments if you want to see it more on the YouTube, because that's how you also see my screen. You see all of the trades, all of the process, because a lot of people, I remember one of the persons said to me, oh, it's probably someone that giving her signals and she's just repeating this. For real? For real, I'm trading so much and so many times already in live time with you, and you still think that this is not real. It's crazy. It's 2, 1, and we close the straight in the plus, guys. Okay, perfect. Text plus also. Text plus if you got a profit. We actually got a lot already. It's pretty great. Be ready for next signal up for 3 minutes. Ready? Text me. Oh. It's not that actually strong candles right now going on. Yes, those YouTube sessions are great. Okay, perfect. I'm glad you like it. Okay, I hope you're ready, guys, already, because you're not answering to me. Okay, I'm opening a chart. I'm sending you a signal immediately. Opened. Fast, fast. Some of the people texting me to just ready. You already should open a trade, but it's fine. Yes, those YouTube sessions are great. Plus, thank you, Lisa. Thank you too as well. Here's my sister closing profits. Okay, guys, I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. I was thinking you will not like it because it's like kinda, difficult to, because here's the delay. Here you see my signals and everything. But I'm glad you kind of like this kind of process. So let's wait. It's 2 minutes and 13 seconds till the end. It's fluctuating a lot. It's pretty small candles, as you can see on the chart right now, here and here. And it could be some lateral movement here as well, but I hope we will close this trade in plus. It's pretty close to entry points, minus like 20 points. It's fluctuating every time. It could be like this, is fine. Okay, now we're in a plus, 1 minute 50 seconds. I actually want water so much. It's crazy because when you talk that much, you always feel thirsty. So now it's 1 minute 40 seconds, but for you it's definitely different because it's the delay of 20 or 30 seconds. So just be focused on the comments, on the signals there. You do this every morning? No, not every morning, no. I do actually this kind of the live streams only one time in a week. And I also do the trading sessions, voice trading sessions in my VIP Club channel and main channel, I think twice a week. So it's like 3 kind of the trading sessions like this. But before in the live streams, we were just talking. I was just answering to your questions and everything. But actually, we can combine all of this. And I can answer to your questions, talk about something that we should talk about the topic of the live stream. And at the same time, I'm going to send you the signals. I think it's going to be a really useful thing. It's going to be, a trading session plus some useful information. So now it's 50 seconds. We're still in the plus. It's going really great. So let's wait here. Let's wait. So yep. And on the voice trading sessions, for example, in Telegram channel, I don't show you my screen because I'm giving you the signals by my voice. This is the whole idea. And this is a little bit kind of different format, I think. And it's pretty nice. I hope so to see it. So it's 18 seconds right now. It's a little bit lagged. Okay, it's already 10 seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we close the straight in the plus, guys. Okay, perfect. I think that was really productive. So guys, please text plus if you got a profit. So guys, please give me your feedback in the comments. I think we traded pretty great with you. Here is all of our profits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is. Here we had a few catch-ups, but eventually we closed them. And we started with like 9,600 and now we have 10,100. It's pretty great. It's pretty great. So you saw all of the process in the live time actually. Plus, okay, the heart. Okay guys, perfect. So I hope you like it. Please let me know again in the comments or in my Telegram, in my private messages, if you like this kind of the live streams more. And of course, I will do it for you. So I wish you all a great day. Really soon, also in 1 hour, profit making in binary. You're lucky. I'm not lucky, just knowledges in a long time actually. So yeah, in 1 hour, we will start a training session, the VIP Club channel. So guys, I'm waiting for all of you there. It was just some kind of the warm up, before it. So